Munasin Shubay, kumusta?
Yes.
Oh, now, more 10 minutes waiting for our 6th Ramadan, Rosa, fasting. Alhamdulillah for the blessings. Alhamdulillah. Today, nagluto lang si Rihanna ng noodles kasi parang I'm not feeling well. So, noodles time. Alhamdulillah, this is our iftar, breaking of the fast food, prepared by Rihanna. Tapos, ano ba ito? Yung juice na mango juice tang. Oh, ano yan, Marhani?
Salad.
Salad with, today we have only one kind of fruits, pineapple, and 2 dates. Kasi ayaw ni Rihanna maliha kumain ng dates. Sliced bread, tapos yung juice namin, isang juice. Madaming nagkakasakit ngayon guys dahil change of weather from winter to summer. Kaya ako, umiinom kasi ako ng yelo, yung juice nilalagyan ko ng ice. So medyo sumama yung lalamunan natin pero medyo okay na. Pag magawa tayo ng salabat para okay naman. Alhamdulillah, naka 6 days na rin ang Ramadan. Sandali lang matapos, na rin, Eid na naman ulit. Okay? God bless everyone. At ingat.
You're the night sky trying to make me see